This is Jason Faulkner, aka Shop Weasel, and here are my updated rod holders for my fabulous Shop Weasel Salamander folding universal travel cart. I have tiger clamps on them, so the rod holders easily and quickly come off and on at your own discretion. They are stainless steel, heavy duty. There you have it. I hope you enjoy my updated product. Check back next week when I put the rear wheels on. The rear brakes. That should be one of the last upgrades I do for now. Very splendid. I've been needing these. I don't feel comfortable shopping like at Walmart with my rod holders on there. So now just a quick loosening of 2 bolts and each one comes off or on. Jason Faulkner, aka Shop Weasel from East Tennessee. Hope you all have a good day and hope you enjoy my video. Thank you.